Hi everyone, welcome back to Kate AI Grove, your trusted source for the latest and smartest AI tools. If you love creative tips, cutting-edge tech, or just want to stay ahead in the AI era, you're definitely in the right place. Today's video is a detailed tutorial on ElevenLabs, one of the most realistic text-to-speech platforms out there. Whether you're a YouTuber, content creator, or just someone who wants pro-level narration, ElevenLabs is an essential tool. Let's dive in. What is ElevenLabs? It's an AI platform that turns your text into incredibly realistic speech. Sounds hard to believe? Let me show you a quick example. Welcome to Kate AI Grove, where your words finally have a voice. That wasn't a real voice. It was generated in seconds using ElevenLabs.
Welcome to Cade AI Grove, where your words finally have a voice.
It's super easy to use. Click the link below to try it out right away. You can try it without even creating an account. Just type your text, choose a voice, hit play, and boom, try this. AI is changing everything, and Cade AI Grove is here to guide you through it.
AI is changing everything, and Cade AI Grove is here to guide you through it.
About pricing, ElevenLabs does offer a free plan with some limitations. You'll get 10,000 characters a month, which is about 10 minutes of speech. It's perfect for testing or personal use. But for public use, you'll need to credit ElevenLabs. Want more power? The starter plan is just $5 a month. You get 30,000 characters, commercial rights, and most importantly, voice cloning. This is the star feature. Just 2 minutes of clear audio, and ElevenLabs creates a voice clone that sounds like you. Imagine being able to create online courses with your own voice, narrate slides without recording yourself, send unique voice messages to clients or loved ones. Have you ever imagined hearing yourself speak without saying a word? I tried it, and trust me, it feels incredibly surreal. With ElevenLabs, you can also customize the voice output as you like. Speed. This controls how fast or slow the voice reads your text. Stability. Adjust whether the voice sounds steady or slightly varied like a real person. Similarity. Controls how closely the voice matches your original when using voice cloning. Style exaggeration. Lets you choose whether the voice sounds natural or more emotional and dramatic. Every audio you create is saved, so you can re-edit or download it anytime. Just click download and get your MP3 ready for any project. If you are a storyteller, a TikTok or Reels creator, an online course designer, a small business owner, then ElevenLabs is your secret weapon to save time, effort, and money for pro voice content. That's the full ElevenLabs tutorial from basics to advanced tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Cade AI Grove, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching. Have fun exploring ElevenLabs and see you in the next video.